Has your air conditioner suddenly stopped working? An electrical problem could be preventing your system from operating properly. Modern air conditioning systems rely on a network of electrical components to deliver reliable cooling. When one of these components fails, your comfort can quickly disappear. Common signs of electrical issues include an AC that won't turn on, frequent breaker trips, unusual noises, short cycling, or inconsistent cooling performance. That's why homeowners throughout Paoli, Pennsylvania, trust PJ Mac HVAC air duct cleaning for professional AC electrical repair services. Our experienced technicians perform a comprehensive electrical inspection to safely identify the source of the problem. We carefully inspect wiring, electrical connections, capacitors, contactors, relays, fuses, and other critical components to ensure an accurate diagnosis. Using professional tools and quality replacement parts, we restore safe, reliable operation to your air conditioning system. After completing the repairs, we thoroughly test your system to verify proper startup, efficient operation, and dependable cooling performance. A properly functioning electrical system helps your air conditioner operate efficiently while improving reliability and performance. At PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning, we're committed to providing honest recommendations, expert workmanship, and dependable HVAC solutions for every homeowner. What are common electrical problems in an AC system? Common issues include faulty capacitors, worn contactors, damaged wiring, blown fuses, malfunctioning relays, loose electrical connections, and circuit breaker problems. What are the signs that my AC has an electrical problem? Signs include the system not turning on, frequent breaker trips, burning odors, flickering lights when the AC starts, unusual buzzing sounds, and intermittent cooling. Can electrical problems prevent my AC from cooling? Yes. Faulty electrical components can prevent the compressor, blower motor, or condenser fan from operating properly. Where is PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning located? We are located at 30 South Valley Road No. 307 Paoli, Pennsylvania 19301. Our phone number is 610-424-6690. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/air-duct-cleaning-service-paoli/.